And Zola Bina, saya Andra, and we'll be talking.
Sama lo, Zola Ngali, Zola Riki, iyo, Arnayandra, Bula,
iyo. Karena
Bula Maleka.
Dems betul Noah Andra.
Good morning to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning, and also our children, year 5 and year 7, are going to be sitting for their first paper today for the Lana examination 2026, and we are extending our well wishes, to all of you students, year 5 and year 7, who will be sitting for the exam today. Thank you, parents, for the wonderful support. Narotoko ni Tigna Lubenda and Bugnibulle Soni. Thank you, teachers, for imparting knowledge to all our students who are boarding the bus this morning. Yandra Binaka.
To the LT1230.
Right.
To our brother, the one and only brother of the Nangali territory from northern from Northern. What's the village?
Nananu.
Right. Within the Todaf, Smbole Binaka brother, you are welcome this morning, and everyone who are being part of this morning show this day.
Yanda Binaka Chuta Tabisa tuning in this beautiful morning, and also Yanda Binaka DCC. The next song is dedicated to the St. John Wailoku year 7 who will be sitting for the Alana examination today. Abambibing ave pita batike nia e Wailoku, especially ave Nanatongkas Nibuli or Miss Mela.
To Islands of Tabeuni,
Hey,
we thank you for your resourcefulness of your heart to be part of the morning vibes, and everybody will be gathering. Rohil Chodari, Tamale Bulbinaka, and all the staff. This morning they're joining from Tabeuni this day.
Wherever you are, we are this morning.
Right.
What?
We will be open air. We will be open air.
Open-hearted.
We will be open air and
Ready to rumble.
Yeah, we'll be ready to rumble.
The clothes will be sewn in a way that it doesn't have to open. And the clothes na, just like and also the shirt for men. If there's no
There'll be Vinivo all together.
Right.
Yeah, Vinivo all together. Ngay imbung lindos tamba. Mekila yung go turanga go marama.
Male, female.
MF. Even if there is no button in it will be good.
Yes,
it will be good.
Yes, it will. Yes,
for me, it will be good.
Right. Explain your answer.
Okay, if you see nowadays, sometimes we want loose clothes.
Right.
Loose coin.
Loose coin. So we want loose clothes when we want to move from one place because of the climate change that they are coming now. We want to wear loose clothes and a fashion too. So if we don't have button, it will be good. The air will flow in and out of our body. The hands too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, to help us enjoy with our own life. See, that's how.
That's why you're the enemy of the button,
If you see the button, see, if you have a button, sometimes you are not end nicely in a day.
Right.
Because
Nabuka.
Olay mokui bale, especially to the children. So olay discipline. Because they lose button.
Right.
Because of
Okay. Do you like button or do you like buckle?
Saya nggak pernah kena button.
Okay, talking about sweetness, Today, this morning, we're talking about sugar. There's been a shortage of sugar.
Holy Cross
in soup, like Eleanor went down yesterday and looked for the sugar. There's no sugar in town. How many supermarkets you went to?
Nearly 4 or 5 supermarkets I went to yesterday. There's absolutely no sugar.
Absolutely no sugar.
The shelves, the sugar shelves are empty.
Okay.
They all said the same thing. There's no sugar. Sugar out of stock.
All right. Okay. Demasi, sugar is sweet.
Right.
Yes.
Sweet in what way? Kami in sense and the
You know,
right? Yes, we
actually
know,
taste sugar.
Yes,
the only sense that only has a tongue, but a vapor tongue. Okay, tira baka minda way to na tawale. Connect ako the feelings.
All right.
the tongue okay to go hat. He got a feeling tongue. Yeah. Okay, feel tongue nga and never taste. But he will know because rawangan is sweet kaya makay saraw. Rusia tewan daling mula binaka.
Because most of the songs that we hear on the radio, it says about love is sweet, eh?
Yes.
Nakita mo na kami da. Kaya vyo taruan kina, na suga iko tomolen din na mo sweet. But the love, iko tukulan is sweet, but iko kilabata iko sing taste ka. Yes, at tukulan tayo mesin ko, our heart too has a tongue. How big is your heart?
How big is the tongue in your heart?
Yeah, how big is your heart?
Listen
That
carefully.
you can predict the sweetness in every lady.
The smaller the heart,
Okay?
the bigger the tongue.
So you got small heart.
If you
No,
have
big.
if you have the big heart,
Yeah.
the small tongue.
Okay, what is your
What category?
size? What is
Okay.
your size of the
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see you two first.
Yeah?
You got a big tongue.
So we got a small heart.
Yeah, you got a small heart.
You small heart, big tongue.
Yeah, that's a reason why we
That's why you
love
taste
Very sharp.
That's why you taste love every day. So that's sweet.
Taste love me kalau mo lang kata-kata.
Hey, Jablek, ano na ka? Put salt in the tea.
Allah ramanotal na libubal.
That's why your heart is madake every day.
Right.
You need to. That's why
Yeah.
you herbal medicine.
Yeah?
You herbal medicine. You put inside your esophagus.
You know what?
In your tongue.
Yeah.
You put in the esophagus.
Right.
After coming past your tongue,
Right.
it goes where?
Gives in the stomach.
In the stomach.
Right.
Because that's another tongue inside.
Please.
Ni sasama-sama na utomo, ni sasama-sama, masula ka na elomo, masula ka na utomo, may sama-sama,
Right.
sasama sayado, sara ng bula.
Yeah. I think to all the doctors tuning this morning, kira-kira ko kung sa may usay may sa insect taliw ka do lahat may root no na heart.
Klip namin. MC Prasad. Mula binaka. Welcome on ini binaka. Joseph Awiliano and everybody joining this morning. Bro Asa Kaitana to Ratu Benyamin.
Terakhir ni kira wata pa pandin na ka.
Ando na mo tabing simbol ng ngata-ngata.
Terus ada watang yan naka.
Lay. Talking about the heart and the sweetness.
Okay.
Today we know that our heart too has a tongue.
Yeah.
That's a new thing. We
Boy.
don't learn it in
Yeah.
school.
We never see. We never see.
Yeah.
But
Right.
we can feel.
Right.
It's a tongue of feeling. Okay, feel taka. Iyo.
Predicta ka
Iyo,
The sweetness in that heart.
Yeah, the tongue of feeling.
Natanga.
Tongue of feeling.
Double na kamay na yung malabaw. Double. Isa, may umbula rin kaya masi. Kami nila ni Boy, nimbe may Holy Cross.
Yeah.
Andre.
So bo.
Emi tagi magatinisa, yan benaka. Lolo maya ni baisa ni mili.
Wala tuwa ng bandua.
Tu ada benaka may waltua.
Oh, umbula rin miyaw. Orto may tabuli mo hausingo.
Hey, gori mai. So, and ano ba sa
Right. Nanda kuni.
Yes,
Doon bula naman tati minito kitale.
Yeah.
Iya.
Tu kita le me.
Leps to ito nga. Ayan, nabi nakata araw tabali.
Why happy birthday? Why
Happy birthday.
Leps to ito nga. Mumbulang balabo kalau nga ta kami bunga na namubiyang bakibina kalim
Right.
tuman nga nangonan ni tema tuman na were. Namata ka ni kuwa. Kaya to sa tawa ni binaka. Like hata